Welcome back to Always Learning, and what are we doing today? Today we're learning how to prevent bleed through when you're painting kitchen cabinets.
So you can see here we've got some significant bleed through. It's hard to tell whether it's stain, probably more stain coming through. You can also get where it's a bleeding of the tannins coming through. You can just see these areas here. I don't know if it's stain or if it's the tannins coming through. I don't know enough about it, but anyway, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna come in. We don't wanna have a chance, 3 months down the road, all of a sudden the cabinets start bleeding through. So never come across that before. I mean, it's the only second time I've painted cabinets. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with an oil-based stain blocker primer, and that, from what I've read online, should solve it. So we're gonna spray them again with the primer, this time oil-based. And then you can actually come back with an oil-based on top of that, or you can come back with the latex, and we're gonna just come back on a latex 2 coats. And so everything will have 4 coats, and that should do it. So anyway, we'll get at her.
So here's what we're putting on. Key thing is right here, oil base. And then it basically says you can go with any top coat. So that's what we're going with. You can see in here, just kind of looking, it's kind of dark, but if you take a close look, you can, or trust me, you can see that all the tannins are gone and they're well covered. So now we're going to come back with 2 coats of the Sherwin-Williams Emerald, and they should be done and ready to hang. But if you use an oil-based or a shellac primer, then you shouldn't have any trouble. Going forward, I'm probably going to use the oil-based primer anyway, just because it goes so much smoother through the gun and gets such a better finish, I think, than the even the Extreme Bond primer that we were using before. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.